Hi guys, welcome back. So, as you can see, today is a blessed day. It is another eating video. Yes. So, what am I eating today? So, I'm eating noodles. So, that is the noodles. And whenever I eat noodles, I like to fry onions. So that is my fried onions as well. And this is a fried chicken. So this noodles that I'm eating, let me show you. This is the way the noodles is. It is a very hot, spicy noodles. Very hot, spicy. In Ireland here, I normally get this noodles from Mr. Price. If you live in Ireland, you know the shop called Mr. Price. That is where I get this noodles. With this noodles, you don't have to add any additional Maggi, pepper, whatever, because everything is already, it is very spicy, and it is very, like the Maggi is very tasty noodles. And inside it has, you know, the way the Nigerian noodles is, that is exactly, it has the chili side and the Maggi side, and it also has another sachet spice again inside it. So yeah, it is a very lovely noodles to compare to the one you buy in Lidl or Aldi. If you're here, you know them ones. If I'm making that one, I'll have to add Maggi and also myself, you know. But if that being said, let's dive in this food. I like noodles, especially now it's getting cold, especially the spicy ones. Like in the evening when the weather is a bit cold, you make a hot noodles. Like it's just something that you can chill and watch TV with. So I like it. It's like my lazy day kind of food. Any day I'm not in the mood of making something like from scratch or whatever, this is it. This is this. And for my chicken, I like to, you know, on my free day, I like to, you know, boil them, fry them, or oven grill them, whatever. So I normally have them in the freezer for one of these kind of days, whereby I can just take the noodles, boil it, and then take this out from the freezer and warm it in the microwave. Voila, food is ready to go. So let's get started anyway. Honestly, it is a very tasty, spicy noodles. It's like they put Maggi, has that Maggi taste. It's very juicy. I love the crunchiness of the onions. I just like put a little bit of oil in the pan, just spray, just tiny bit, and I fry this oil for just 5 minutes, not like over frying it, so you can still get the crunchiness of it. Excuse me. This was lovely. It was spicy, but not extra spicy. Like if you're somebody that likes spicy but not too hot, like that your mouth is then that is good, because you can still enjoy that spice. You can still enjoy the noodles without it being too much for you. But honestly, I enjoyed that. It was a wonderful, lovely meal. And that will be it for today. Gonna enjoy my lazy day doing nothing. Nobody's gonna be cooking Nigerian food today. But enjoy my lazy day, then tomorrow I can then cook Nigerian food. And thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and please click on that bell icon, because it will notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. Stay tuned, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.